The world trend in retailing is the growing statistics about taking purchase decisions with the use of gadgets. Up to 80% of purchases are made by means of gadgets. A retailer must meet modern requirements in retailing. The more attractive a LSE, the more attractive a commercial object on the whole. Thus, every shop is viewed through navigation. Consequently, non-liquid leaseholds are getting increasingly attractive. If a shop assistant doesn't work well, it's not a pity. Our program always displays the best offers of your shop and description of goods on a consumer screen. We complete a lazy seller. Your consumer is not sure about the purchase. He wants to discuss it at home. No problem. The purchase may be delayed for a while, and then be finished at home via his mobile app. The consumers of your commercial object can give marks to the shops and goods. The menus of the cafes in your commercial center are also viewed on the screen. Will help to find the best offers. Sellers can watch a consumer now, what he has bought, how much money he has spent, and pay more attention to him. To download a mobile application, one needs a mobile phone or a tablet with the access to the internet and Bluetooth. The application is downloaded at the entrance of the commercial center. Special sensors installed in the every store send signals to the consumer's mobile devices.